how to clear all saved login session on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear all saved login session on Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply scroll down and there you just have to tap on settings and privacy. And now here under settings and privacy, just tap on settings. And here once you're inside the settings section, just tap on see more in account center. And here once you're inside the account center, you simply have to scroll down and tap on password and security. And now here in this section, you'll see the option labeled as where you are logged in. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, you'll see all the accounts that are currently logged on your devices. So here you can simply select the account, and on the next page you'll see all devices and locations where your account is currently logged in. So here, if you want to log out from all session, what you can do is simply scroll down to the bottom, and there you simply have to tap on this option that says select devices to log out. And after that, on the next page, you simply have to tap on select all, and after that you simply have to tap on logout and confirm it by tapping on logout or OK again. And once you do that, all saved in login session will be cleared and Facebook stays logged in only on your current device as well. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.